Don't be complicated. This is why I don't like, hey, let's do lunch, let's do coffee, let's blah-bitty blah and blankety blank. No, let's talk about the deal. Once I understand the deal, I'll be able to make a recommendation. Once I make a recommendation, the choice is yours, whether you think it makes sense to move forward or not. But I'm not gonna have 2 or 3 deals in my pipeline take up all of my day because I'm waiting to see if we can have freaking Panera bread together. It just doesn't make sense. Hard work doesn't close deals, skill does. And right now you're working way too hard for way too little. Listen, sales is not about grinding yourself into the ground. It's about saying the right words at the right time with the right confidence. If you don't have a process that works, you're always going to be struggling. At Easton University, I'm going to show you the exact process that top performers use to double their sales without working longer hours. You're going to get full access to our interactive learning portal and live coaching with me twice a week. Hey, I get it. Sales is hard, but we're going to make it easy for you. Click the link here. Let's get you selling at the level you deserve.